Hey everyone, it's Anthony with 5 and 2 Ministries with your daily bread. Today I want to examine Ecclesiastes 4, 9 through 12, which says, "Two are better than one because they have a good return for their labor. If either of them falls down, one can help the other up, but pity anyone who falls and has no one to help them up. Also, if two lie down together, they will keep warm. But how can one keep warm alone? Though one may be overpowered, two can defend themselves. A cord of 3 strands is not quickly broken." This passage highlights the importance of companionship and mutual support. It emphasizes the practical benefits of working together and the strength that comes from unity. This isn't just about physical labor, but also emotional and spiritual support. When one person stumbles, the other can lift them up, providing a safety net that lone individuals lack. This verse also speaks to the practical need for companionship, such as warmth and protection. In a broader sense, it highlights that emotional warmth and security come from close relationships. In verse 12, the imagery of a cord of 3 strands underscores the idea that combined efforts are significantly stronger and more resilient than those of individuals acting alone. While 2 people can defend themselves against adversaries, 3 people, symbolized as a cord of 3 strands, have an even greater advantage. This verse metaphorically represents the exponential strength gained through unity and teamwork. In today's world, these principles are incredibly relevant. Whether in personal relationships, professional settings, or community groups, the need for collaboration, support, and unity is paramount. Strong marriages, friendships, and family bonds reflect the strength of a cord of 3 strands. Mutual support and shared goals make these relationships resilient. For churches and community groups, this message underscores the importance of coming together in faith and purpose. It reminds us that unified efforts in serving others and fulfilling God's mission are more impactful. In a world where independence is often celebrated, let's remember that our true strength lies in our ability to support one another, work together, and build strong, interconnected communities. Just as a cord of 3 strands is not easily broken, neither are we when we stand united in purpose and faith. Let's strive to weave our lives together with those around us, creating bonds that withstand the challenges of life and reflect the enduring strength and love of God. Thanks for listening, and have a blessed day.